So cricket went to the ants, and now he went and he was just going to ask for a mouthful of grain and shelter. But what are the reactions of ant? We'll see. Okay. Says the cricket, sorry, says the ant to the cricket, I am your servant and friend. But we ant never, but we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. But tell me, dear cricket, did you lay nothing by? When the weather was warm, quoth the cricket, not I. Okay, so here as cricket went, this cricket went to the ends. Okay, he went to ask for food, he went to ask for the shelter. Cricket is just not having anything. So when says the ant to the cricket, so the reply where ant is given that I am your servant and friend. If you want any help, if you want to get anything from us, for that reason I am your servant, I am your friend for being that. But we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. Now as he was talking about borrowing today and repaying tomorrow, right? वो फोर्थ स्टैंडा में ये बता रहे हैं दैट क्रिकेट इज़ टेलिंग आई विश वो मुझे दे दे, मैं बोरो कर लेता हूँ और मैं बाद में उसको चुका दूँगा. बट एंड्स क्या कह रहे हैं? एंड्स कह रहे हैं वी नेवर बोरो, हम कभी किसी से उधारी नहीं लेते. वी एंड्स नेवर लेंड, वी नेवर गिव देम, वी नेवर बोरो, हम ना ही कुछ लेते हैं और ना ही कभी किसी को कुछ देते हैं. बट टेल मी डियर क्रिकेट, नाउ ants are inquiring that, dear cricket, did you lay nothing by? Ants are asking this cricket that तुमने अपने पास कुछ भी नहीं रखा. You have laid nothing by, that means lay nothing by means nothing have been left with you. When the weather was warm, quoth the cricket, not I. When he say when the weather was off, okay, वो बोल रहा है जब मौसम गर्म था, when it was spring season, it was summer season, that time what he did, what cricket did, that cricket is replying that not I, that I have not left anything. Now seeing such a negative reply, ants were very shocked कि ये क्या कह रहा है. इसे पता है स्प्रिंग सीजन, समर सीजन इज द सीजन टू कलेक्ट द फूड, prepare the house so that they can live nicely in the winter season, winter time. But what this cricket is telling, the cricket is telling that he have not left anything with him. Okay, my heart was so light, then I sang day and night, for all nature looked gay. You sang, sir, you said, go then, says the ant, and dance the winter away. So here he says that my heart was so light, I was so delighted by the summer, the springtime, that I used to sing whole day and night. Means उसने पूरा टाइम कुछ नहीं किया, बस स्प्रिंग और समर्स को एंजॉय किया है. इसने कुछ भी अपने लिए रखा ही नहीं. For all the nature looked gay. Okay, all the nature looked gay. That means all the nature which is looking very happening, वो उस nature को enjoy कर रहा था. He was having gay, he was having happiness, he was enjoying that pleasant scenario. You sang, sir, you say. This is a reply by ant. Now ant is talking in very respectful manner that, sir, you are telling आपने summer and spring you have not collected anything and you have just sing and sing, right? So they are advising that go. Then says the ant and dance the winter away. So as you have not done anything, you have nothing said for this winters, you have just enjoyed your time. So now you just, as you have sing in the summer and spring, नाउ इट्स द विंटर, यू जस्ट डांस देयर। लाइक उसको टॉन्ट मार रहे हैं दैट अभी जो हो गया वो हो गया। जब तुम ये कह रहे हो कि तुमने पूरे टाइम कुछ नहीं किया, तो अभी विंटर में भी तुम्हें कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वैसा। सो दैट वॉज द थिंग, दिस वॉज द कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन द एंट एंड द क्रिकेट। व्हेन द क्रिकेट वेंट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम टू एंड टू pardon to get that little bit of borrowing of the mouthful of grain and shelter from the rain.